CTM stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Castellum stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Genuinely looking at this, it seems like it's starting to melt and break through some ranges, but for me, this is the best mega film pattern that I've seen in a while. Like, it's still not over. You know, my bullish idea here was correct, and I'm still gonna stay with this. Then I had a demand zone, which never held. And that's fine because I never took no trades from there because the rules never got met. But because this is like the whole thing is a demand zone, I mean, you can see I'm starting to get excited. The only thing that's going to make me buy more is a double break here. And if I do not see this shift happening, bro, I'm just simply not going to buy. I mean, this could be like a hard topping thing, you know, you could be looking at this like, wow. But all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting for rules to be met. CTM, I also got about 13 results here as well. So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one. Goodbye.